Daud has more confidence in playing Alisa in tournament
Because
than
it's
than Julia.
It's the main character. I'm more confident to playing Julia,
Julia in the tournament.
because I'm not master
Because you don't have any option. अब तुम्हें याद आ रहा है मेसी पे खेलना तो खेलो मेसी पे खेलना हाँ लगवा लेंगे अभी तो खेलो okay so you guys Rahul Sikandar is ready John is ready let's see who's gonna win guys you shouldn't you know you don't have to miss these matches are so hype Alisa versus Marder where Lisa has where Lisa has
John
advantage
is-
of side steps
Yeah.
and back both. Rizabina has only advantage of back against Marder, but Lisa has two advantages.
Yeah.
Okay, but you know, grab in tournament. What I am thinking,
nice.
AJ is like I think Mardek is also like Ling Shai, a little bit not Ling Shai in a sense that you have to play against Mardek as well. You have to set your eye on his tackle, on his stance 3+1+2
Yeah.
grab especially because there is a timing, specific timing where you can break the grab.
So you're
Yeah.
saying that if you set your mind to it, you can see which option is coming.
No.
after the tackle.
I am telling you before the grab.
Before the tackle.
Before the grab.
Okay.
Okay, what was that?
Just running.
No, I had to guess
Oh
right.
my God.
Wrong guess.
Very
That
nice.
is-
Very nice tackle.
Okay, that was a wrong guess.
It is always the tackle that works so hard. No comeback option.
In tournament, I think Mardak is very annoying.
Yeah.
Mardak is very annoying in tournament, especially.
Especially.
Now it's a very good condition. Okay, but oh wow, he didn't went for wild standing one because it doesn't have too much good options after that.
Mardak has no fucking option
It's
in
minus-
while standing department.
He was ready. It's minus 12. Quad circle power 2.
Yeah.
It should be minus 13,
Minus 13.
but it is 12.
Mardak
Why?
biggest
Launchable.
launchable.
No, his intention was not to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no,
He cannot do that. There's a specific timing of breaking this grab.
Oh.
You cannot, press button before the grab.
Yeah.
Just when he about to grab you, then you have to press the button.
Oh.
Or right after that, when he grabs you.
Right.
Not before, never before.
Why wasn't it a counter hit?
He should have went for Rage Art instead of Rage Drive, but he thought that he's not gonna do anything. He will just block, but he
Yeah.
didn't. Okay, it's the
Oh,
combo.
nice.
Okay, so maybe back 4-4. Still good, still good.
Nice forward. Man,
But more risk, I think.
Okay.
No. Yeah, that is so scary.
yeah.
I know. Wow,
that's-
he gets right this time.
Oh my
Okay,
God, no.
don't do this.
Yeah.
One thing over and over again to me.
Not sleeping.
Yeah. Okay, on the other side, it's
Ah.
guaranteed.
Girlfriend.
No.
Ah. Down two. Why not down two?
Wow.
Nice. Very
nice,
nice.
very
Very
nice.
nice. Interrupt. Final
Guys, these
round.
matches are
First
insane.
match.
As I told you, you shouldn't miss these
Missed.
matches.
Yeah.
Even though you are a bad commentator, but you shouldn't miss these matches.
You are terrible commentators. This button is missing. Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh no. John cannot pause the game. His button is missing.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But
His two is missing a lot.
why? Okay, very bad position for Alisa. He's still alive.
His two is fucking missing and he stopped using two.
No. How he did the
He has a 1+2 button. Change कर ले.
easy. Okay, easy. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so John takes the first one.
Nice.
Rahul has hard time in breaking 1+2 grab. He has a very
But
hard
he's
time of breaking 1+2.
tack.
Still in.
He has case tackle very much.
Okay, the first time he broke the grab.
But after the tackle, he chose right.
Okay. Oh!
Going mid option.
Oh, nice comeback. I really like it. What a comeback. Okay. So you can't guess who's gonna win because both are making comebacks.
Yeah.
Both players are playing so good. Okay.
Oh, why no break?
He became angry then.
Yeah.
I think now he cannot concentrate. When you become angry,
I can relate.
yeah, when
Very
you become
much.
angry, you cannot use your mind to a full level.
Yeah.
So yeah, you shouldn't become angry even if you are not breaking grab. Just play calm. Okay. Easy.
He's not playing with his mind, so he's just
Yeah, he's just
going all in.
smashing. Okay, yeah, he broke the grab. Just plays safe. What is going on?
His pick is very missed.
Then why he's playing?
He's just asshole.
Okay. I really don't understand what is happening on both minds. Someone's stick is missing, someone cannot
Someone's
press
mind is
1 plus 4, 1 plus 2. What is happening? This is more than a tournament. This is a strict problem for both of the
Yeah.
players. Both of players sticks missing.
Oh, nice combo.
Okay,
God, that damage.
Guys, I wanna see more of this match. I wanna see. Yeah,
Nice tackle.
yeah, he's guessing right every time.
Every time he's guessing
I
right.
think this is just input of his team. But the way he's playing is insane. He still has 1 round, so he can make a comeback. There's no need to
So,
panic.
Match.
No need to
point-
panic.
Match point for Jajon.
This is his fault.
Oh,
He's
not
pressing
this
button
time.
very
hard.
early.
Very early and very hard.
I think it's the end. Okay, no. Because he made comeback before, he can make comeback again.
He's more than capable of making comeback.
Okay,
But
so
with right mind only.
okay, he broke the grab. Why he's not jumping? If you not अपना do अरे
बहुत आला लड़के. Jajon moves on to the top 4 of this tournament.
yes. Numan Chaudhary versus
Confirmed prize money for Jajon. That
He's
we
not
will
playing.
buy Shisha Flavor.